All right. What, sorry?
What is it you expected to go on?
It's for 40-foot container.
A high cube?
I don't know. It's 40 foot. It doesn't say high cube or no.
Because they're not sure.
They are not sure.
Right here.
You want me to give them a ring and ask them if it's high cube or no?
Yeah.
One moment. I called the office. I just want to ask you, the guy here asked me, is it high cube or just normal 40 foot? It's high cube. Okay, I told him. Thank you very much. Yeah. Anyway, this is one of the problems sometimes. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have to go now, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video and put any comment that you want to ask. Even you want to criticize me, I don't mind, because your criticism will make me a better person in the future. Thank you very much for watching and take care. Bye bye.